Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crystal. For today's video, I'm going to be doing this look using the new Norvina Volume 4 palette. So if you're ready, let's go! Okay, so I'm going to start with some regular tape, and I like to just stick it on my hand really lightly and then pull it off and then apply it. Only because I found that it's not as harmful. I mean, maybe it's still kind of harmful, but it doesn't like tug too bad once you do that, because it's like remove the first layer. I don't know, whatever. So here she is, and she is gorgeous. I've already swatched all the colors because I could not wait, and I've waited way too long to actually play with it. I don't know why I've waited so long. It's just been kind of weird around here, but it is. So I'm starting with a little bit of the ABH eye primer, and I'm just going to pat it all over the eye. Sometimes I'm too lazy to clean up my brow with concealer, so I just kind of use this. And it works fine, I feel, but that's just me. So with this e.l.f. contour brush, I'm going to take the color C4, and I like to just really pat it all into the brush, and then I will pat it on. And guys, this formula is just beautiful. Like, I can't express how smooth and pigmented and just creamy the Norvina palettes are. I swear by the Norvina palettes. Like, I cannot get enough. So once I've done that, then I'll go in and I'll attack. So now, using this medium eye shader, I'm gonna take the color A4, and this one I'm just gonna take a little bit. I'm gonna tap it twice, tap some off, and then I'm gonna tap right above that and kind of drag it over. A little bit more, tap off the excess. Now once that's set, then I'm going and sweeping a little bit. And then back with the other brush, I am going to just kind of blend it together. So now I'm just going over the lilac again and deepening the color a bit. And I just like to go back and forth with the brush. You already know, if you've been here before, you already know that I do that all the time. Okay, so with that same e.l.f. brush, I'm gonna take the color E4, and this one I'm just gonna lightly tap it maybe once and put it on the outside on both sides. So I tapped it again, and I'm going in there again. I don't want to make this look too pinkish. Now with my sharp. Now with my Tarte Shape tape, geez, I'm going to do like a halo effect, and I'm not gonna cut the crease too sharp. I'm just gonna do a rough off line. For that, I'm using this Azalia Cosmetics brush. I really like this for cutting the crease. So now I'm gonna use this flat packer brush, and I'm going to, almost forgot. I'm gonna take my water, just slightly wet it. I'm gonna take the color C3 on the outside, and then towards the center, I'm gonna use this D4. So first, I'm gonna use this D4. Using my finger, I'm taking that D4 and mixing in some of that C3, that little purple shade on top. Now with the brush, I'm gonna take this A2 and just really go ham. I'm just focusing it right in that center and then at the very top of the line. Okay, and back with this e.l.f. contour brush. I keep forgetting the name of it. I'm going with that E4, which was that like dark plumish shade. And just kind of feathering it. I don't put my brush in, I just kind of lay it and then tap. And then same thing on the other side, just so that it gets rid of that harsh line. And there we go. So I think for underneath the brow bone, I'm gonna use this B1 shade, but I'm just gonna lightly tap it. Like I tapped it once, let's see. Maybe one more. Oh yeah, that's very pretty. And that's it. That was super simple. I'm gonna do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. All right, I've already applied one of my lashes. I'm gonna apply the other one. It's called Mega Babe and it's from Bold Face Cosmetics. I love their lashes. It's definitely not my lash day. I'm going to curl my lashes a bit, only because my lashes point to the ground. So if I don't curl them and I don't put mascara, they just look horrible. And for lash glue, I'm using House of Lashes. I always use that. And then I'm using my Milk Makeup Mascara. It is my all-time favorite mascara on the market. I recommend it to anyone, everyone. I don't ever put mascara on my falsies, only because I feel like it ruins them. And this way they last longer, and it really don't feel like it makes a difference when you put it to like combine your lashes with the lashes. I feel like as long as you kind of like ruffle through them, they will look fine. I mean, obviously they're not natural. Everyone in the whole planet can see that they are not real, and if you think for a second you're fooling somebody, you're the fool. Okay, now that those are done, we're gonna do the bottom lash line. So using that same brush from before, I'm taking that C4, which is the lilac color, and then taking the same brush with E4, I'm just gonna put it a little closer, and then some A4 with that medium eye shader. I think that's what it's called. It's from Royal Langnickel. I've had this brush forever. I'm gonna take my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Mill, and I'm just lightly lining my waterline. I feel like it really like brings your eyes out when you use the white on the waterline. So usually I apply my, what is this, setting spray. So usually I apply my setting spray before I do my lashes. Before I apply my false lashes. What? But I forgot. So let's just do it now. And don't forget some mascara on the bottom lash line, because I do that all the time. Anybody else do that? Does anybody else forget? Because I tell you, every other time I forget. Okay, I'm gonna use my velour lip scrub from Jeffree Star. I love his lip scrubs. Jeez, I can't talk. And let's give it a little scrub because it's been a minute since I have scrubbed off some skin. Okay, for lips, I'm gonna use this Anastasia in the color Rock Sand.
Making makeup.
Thank you.
Making lipstick.
Thank you.
What's your color is this?
Purple.
Purple. I don't know.
Alright. Alright, I'm gonna go do my hair and I will be back. Alright, while I didn't go do my hair. I just took it off and then, you know, kind of moved it around a little bit. Took it off the bun. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know if there's another look that you would like to see for the summer. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all of that. Until next time, beauties.